Hey, I'm back. So I want to work on my editor map loading. Oh, by the way, I fixed the bug behind the scene. It ended up being like a 2-second fix. So on my path editor thing, I just set the move constants to 0. It's because these are like spatial data structures, and the queries on them, they do like a broad face search. But for this use case, I didn't need that. So I just did 0, and it pretty much converts the structure into a near it doesn't return false positives. Anyways, what is this? Can be simplified. Oh, interesting. Do I like that? They really added that to C#. Length. It's still so weird. I guess that's because I just changed something to static. I wonder why they do that. When I change something to static, they add the name. I guess it's because they don't know who's accessing it. But that was like local anyways, it's private. Who knows? What is this? Nice. Use primary constructor. True. Nice. I should really figure out a nicer pattern for this. Root. Oh, how is this one still there? Oh, because I just added more. True. It's because every time I add a new... Alright. Let me read a bit more into that. This rule concerns the use of the range of sys available. Hey, Finkelum. How are you doing? Me? Pretty good. I've been experimenting with YouTube Shorts on my other channel, and it's actually impressive, the discovery algorithm. Whoops. Let me just find my account. Yeah, this. My account like this has 30 subscribers, but when I make shorts, they surface the video to more people. So like this one, that was my first one ever. 1.4k views. This one, I don't know why it didn't work. And then this one that I put yesterday got 2.3k views. And I'm using that to learn video editing. So yeah. So I learned like how to cut videos. So I'm doing like a bunch of things like animating this viewport thing. If you look at earlier, you see how it's like sliding. So I'm like sliding this to keep the thing that is interesting in view. So I just did like simple keyframe animation on that. I'm using Blender. Yeah, and they take like, I would say like 2 minutes to edit. Like it's so fast. So maybe like in total it's like 10 minutes of work and they get a lot of views. I'll have to try with programming. I don't know if it will work as well as League though. Man, it's because I'm not used to the syntax, so it makes it unreadable to me. I'm used to it in other languages, but in C# it's like odd. So this is a collection, this is a string, interesting, and then you can say go to that to length -4. A quick brown fox. Oh, they don't show the result, but I'm guessing it cuts the word fox. Fine. So my thing was just take the whole thing. Or is it start index? So I'm starting from this, going all the way to the end. I should like give an abstraction for this. Do you need the ID? I guess you do. But then this one calls new. I'll have to think about it. Alright. So the step 1. I need to add a text box. Why is this one done like that? One sec. Okay, so I have this map thing. I want to add a create text box down here, I guess. They want me to change that to be vertical. Yeah, so I guess I'll have to intercept all the pops or whatever. Do I just do that now? Fine. Where did it go? I think I should edit the color maybe. Can I like style the border around the window on VS Code? Because this color is like the same, right? Oops. Why is this not allowing me to? What? Oh, that was so weird. So I was trying to screenshot and it was doing something unexpected. Okay, it's not quite the same color, but I wonder if I can style that. Is that a thing? Two new theme color, active border. Window that active border. I'm guessing that was edited. Okay, yeah. Let's just add that really fast. Base color. Ah, shit. That will be more work than I wanted. Inactive, active border. Window active, window inactive. I guess I'll put it up here. Window active. active border. Let's start with red. And you're gonna be blue, green rather. So it didn't work. Window border. This was in 2019. It's kind of annoying that it doesn't work. It's not supported on Windows. Why don't they, did they mention that? Oh, that sucks. Oh, it no longer works, so it stopped working. Ah, rip. Not working. When was that? Last year. Well, almost. So I guess it's just ongoing. Well, alright, what was I doing? Oh, I was about to add a bunch of little things. Let's start with like just dock. Well, everything that implements okay, never mind, dock doesn't matter. Floating window maybe. Push. And this is a vertical. So in other words, let's do public static. Because it's a thing. Void, I think. Public void pop. I think it's fine to just take that. The other one that I had was menu, which is a menu panel, true. application. What would be the thing? Find all references. Okay, that was all. So I added that. So at least it just proxies it. So that will prevent annoying stuff. I could make a release, I guess. Alright, so now to add maps, search. New map name. Font size, everything else I can keep as is. Let's try this really fast. Oh. What was not set as an UI? Game time? I guess I have a bug. I can't see inside. I'm not on just my code right now. Object reference not set. Oh, there's a cache. Text box dot cache. This cache size is a vector, so that's fine. Text should be fine. Update pref size. The issue was in cache. Dirty is a bull, so it's fine. Let's just try. This should allow me to see the inside, right? Or do I need something else? I think I forgot. I need like to get the sources. It's called source link. Let's try it anyways. Yeah, it doesn't work. Source link. I guess this. Does this work? Nope. Why not? I know I've tested that before. The repo on here. Where's the search bar? Oh, there it is. Hello. Ah, okay. I'm back here. Okay, fine. Okay, cool. Could this be it? I got it to work in the past. Oh, that's true, I did use that, now I remember. Hasn't anybody got... Okay, so everything works with this. I should add that to my library's documentation, maybe. I wonder how I can't see anything wrong with this. It should be like so in. I don't think we go in here, right? Get font. Font system. No, this should not be wrong. Cursor? Length? Text? Text is null. Interesting. I guess that's because I don't handle that. So... okay. So my text is null, which is a valid value anyway, so I gotta handle that then. Cache. I'm saying it's not null, but it could be null. Wait, the text gets the text here. So this is not required. Right now when I create a new map, I have to go in the Steam folder, create a blank file, and then my game can pick it up and then I can start saving to it. Ideally I want the game itself to be able to create new files. But that allows me to also allow changing the name or setting a name at least. So the workflow would be like you just pop into, start the game, go into my map thing, and then you can manage the map straight from the game. So using text.length is not allowed, so yeah. Maybe if it's null, I should just set it to be empty string. And we always go through this when setting the text. Rather, if value equals null, then value Okay, yeah, that's true. I think this fixes it. Fine, I'll test it. I was about to comment and then just not test, but what is your name? I remove this. Not really. Well, I mean, it might be, but the main reason I do this, passing by ref, is so that it can be modified. It can be reassigned, let's say. So in here, there's a case where I do text equals a.text. And if I don't pass it by ref, it's gonna modify it. But back up here, the value will not be changed because it will be passed by value. Ah, there we go, bug. All right, so that confirms that the bug fix works. Text, how do you write that? Okay. Text, bugs. Ah, I can't write. Text bugs. Just push that. All right. So for now, I can fix this in here by just making this not be null. That's so slow. All right. Oh, when I'm writing, it's moving the camera. Yeah, text boxes are kind of OP. Because they can take every keys. Was there a gameplay in this one? Oh, there's none. Okay, it's just a terrain. Did I have a maximum size in this? I guess not. But that can be handled from the menu thing itself. But maybe it shouldn't. Maybe I should add it like a bit of separation. I'll just do like a label for now. I'll redo this better later, like do a better interface. For now, I just want something that works. Okay, there's a name, and it needs to append the JSON after. Though I don't have anything like that yet, I think, right? Oh, I preserved the code, rip. Yeah, while I'm here. Save. So I think I can just use this directly. Though, how did it work again on the map? So when I save search directory, so I have load map. Oh, I do that like that, interesting. So I set the map file and then save that, and then I load, which I guess uses the map file setting, parse map. Can be simplified. Sure, let's just go through this. Oh, that's kind of cool. They don't like parentheses. Basic effect, sure. I upgraded to the latest net, so they went for like some really simpler syntax. Fine. Oh, what? That was all? You just remove the outside one. Okay, I see. Oh, that's some old code. I had a different way of naming functions. What is this? Oh. What? They really prefer that? Okay. Just brackets. I used to use like lowercase for private functions. Okay, I think this is fine now. Okay. No, I forgot what I was gonna do. I guess it's just the map. Oh yeah, I was looking for parse map. Oh yeah, that's true. feel like this was such an unneeded change. Simplifying new. Stable. Oh, did I used to? Oh, I had a typo for all these years in here. No, but might as well. It removes the blue line. the for net 8. Oh, there was this too, rip. I thought that was the first thing I changed. Okay. So I do have something called JSON map, I see. Okay. In other words, what does this mean? It means that for do I switch the map when I create a new map? Maybe I don't care. Save settings. Save map. Save map. So directory, what is this? Like, can I just append directory to name or something? Let me just see this again. So directory exists. This would be true, I think, because I'm there. There F in directory, trim path root, directory, fix path F, get files. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Get full path, get full path. Okay, well, I'll just comment that out for now. I'll just do right line. I'll do like slash. Okay, it writes that. Oh yeah, also don't forget about that JSON. Okay. So when I do this map file, I do trim path root. But when I do save, so I look here, this gets path name. So you want a name in the form of content slash map. So I guess this would be what I want then. I forgot what I copied. This, okay. JSON, I assume. Maybe this is not correct. Because I'm guessing F. What is file used for? File is the name itself. And root itself is a short thing, right? Get path directory. Or is it? So when I do this, it uses that. Okay, wait. And then path. Get full path. Oh. This is so simple, but it's messing me up. Oh, but I don't have to do it that. Wait, okay, let's just try this. Let's see what it gives. That looks correct. Wait. Platforms. It's here? No way. I guess it's debug. Yeah. Maps. So if I create a new folder, normally this gets added right away. Nice. And if I do create here, it's not good. Directory is that. So does it mean that I'm supposed to do slash new map name? Ah. So what? Oh, I guess it's because I should just use root here. All right, that works. So now maps are created correctly. In other words, I can steal this file. You can't nest this inside of that, right? Okay, file, string, let's just call it path. That should be allowed, right? Path. You don't like this? Fine. Save. With some log, this works. Maybe I shouldn't hardcode that. Maybe I should. Hey, it all works. And now I can like load the map and it doesn't work. Oops. Probably I shouldn't pass in the current map. So right now this is duplicating the map. What happens if I pass in a dir directory in here? Like hello slash test2. Infinite recursion. Directory not found. Safe file handle. I think it should work, allow doing that. But first things first, I should just pass in null. I think this is allowed. You don't like that? Or I'm allowed to do new. New T. So just new JSON map. So is there I see YouTube more like an archive. The user experience is better on Twitch. Unless you install like add-ons for YouTube. Like the live stream add-on is pretty nice. So didn't I have code to make sure I have the directory structure? Premium. Let me go check this. I'm pretty sure I had code. Ensure if file path exists. If it doesn't exist, oh, it goes through so many different So does it mean I should try Oh, I wrote code for that a while ago, now that I think about it. In this. Sure, I'll go through that, fine. Oh, you don't propose it for this? Auto-generated. What's wrong with this? Can be inlined? I'm unsure. Yeah. What is this? Naming rule violation is not expected. Actually, why is this a property? What? Ah, I can't write. What is this now? I mean, sure. Oh, wow. This code is a bit old. Unused, well, sure, that's fine. Substring, sure. Read only, sure. It's kind of cool that it's smart enough to write this automatically. Not like it's the hardest thing to do, but I probably would have been too lazy to code that. Create output path add. This make static. We don't want to remove this code though, that's for sure. Alright, I think I got it all right. And now it's just about fixing the static things. Surely they rewrote some code. They didn't. That's so weird. So like I made this be static and it didn't prefix while earlier it did. Pipeline. Alright, now where's my function that I care about? Fix path. Is it this? No. Generate class. It's in here somewhere. Let's just read this carefully. Search. Maybe it's up here. For each F, create input path, fix path. try. Build, what does build do? It's an interface. Compiler, build. Oh, that goes into my library thing. Oh man, okay, fine. There's like, it's because it's calling to net function, so but I swear I remember coding a thing that was going through the directories and creating them if they weren't there. It has to be here. Recurse directory. Add. I can also just code it from scratch. It's not that hard. I should make a library that automates all this. Then you don't have to think about it anymore. Unless I coded this up here. Directory. It's not this, right? Creates all directories and subdirectories in the specified unless they already exist. Oh. So just call that. Fine, I guess I'll do this. Create directory. I'm allowed to just pass this, right? How did I use it over here? Path, get directory name. So I do just that. And I call this like full path or something. They don't like this. Oh, because this returns possible null or something. Yeah. We don't care. This should be working, maybe. Doesn't work. Part of the path. But I did call create directory. Oh. My bad. I guess it created it somewhere else on my file system. Rip. I'll probably never find that. But I guess at that point I should do a bye bye file. I should do .json maybe, and then remove this part. This whole thing should be in a try catch. You don't want to like allow people to write stuff that doesn't work and crash the game every time. Hey, it works. Oh, what was that? There was a flicker for a sec. Why? I see platforms. It shows me test 0 for a sec. So that works, nice. I think. Other files were empty, I think. 1 KB. Ah, interesting. So why does it doesn't do it anymore? I guess it's because I deleted. Now it does it. So it means that for like a little bit, test there is returned anyways. Why? So when I click this, click a directory, I create a button with the directory name, click, instantly do this. D in directory is directory. I guess it's because since there's two directory, when I click this, instantly you get that, but the for each keeps going. So then we find the second directory in the current directory. So maybe I just do a break here. Also, if I create the file in a subdirectory, maybe we should navigate to it on create. That fixed it, nice. Anyways, now I can at least create maps from inside of here. What happens if I do create? I guess it overrides it. Let's test it. Probably worth it to select the map then right away. So you save. And then load map. Oh. That's dangerous. And I guess set it. Let's copy this whole thing then. Initialize player position, that's funny. Save JSON. Oh. I mean, my file is just... It's not even shouldn't be called full path either. What music do we put now? Save settings. Settings just saves the current thing. It doesn't do anything that I don't like, I think. I mean, the file doesn't exist yet, so I probably should wait until the end. Create directory, save JSON. And now I want to make the directory this thing equals to that. What is the get directories? I think this would be the full path, right? Whatever, let's just try it. Create directory. I might even do this, right? And this is like, let's call it real path. Fixed path. And this is the whole thing, so it should be equals this. Now we have that. Create directory, fixed path there. Now we're that. Dang, I'm starting to confuse myself. It's like I have brain paralysis when I'm doing IO stuff. That's why I waited so long to code this. Even though it's a huge quality of life change. Even though it's not gonna be final. ChatGPT. I tried a while ago, I wasn't satisfied with it. What was I doing? Does it already work? Oh, and I guess I should clear maybe this text box. for now it's fine to let it crash. So as far as I can tell, this works now. Oh. I guess it's good to validate that this doesn't crash the game. Nice, it doesn't. So what did we end up with? The save, what was my save button again? Save setting, page down. So the map doesn't exist. So it loaded nothingness without crashing. And let's say that I try to save the map. In other words, I should really modify my save function so that it creates the this save JSON thing, I think should ensure. Actually, I'm surprised I didn't do that already. So get path. Does this create a fully qualified path? Let me check. I think it should, right? Well, let me read the function. Base directory, combine, path combine. I mean, that will just do that. Whatever, we'll see soon. Not what I meant. I guess I did see though what I wanted. JSON path. Yeah, it's full. This is fine. So now that I have that, I should be allowed to get rid of this. Let's try this. Put it there. I should do the same for the other ones, like this here. Oh man, every time I compile and then this, I can't write text anymore. It's so annoying. That's all noise. Well, I should add this to my tutorial over here too. Yeah, this. Oh, we still crash. So it's not happy. Create directory. Is it because it ends with this? I guess. that. Adjacent path. I guess it doesn't like it when it's not when it has the file name. Still bad. Except it did create it. Oh, it created it as a thing. Maybe this is the reason. What was the issue then? Access to the path is denied because it's a folder. So it created the thingy. I see. Alright, let's try this again. That's why it's so annoying to work with IO. There's so many little things. And then you have to test this like cross-platform. Anyway, this is not like the clean final code. It's just once it works, then I can clean that. Yeah. Hey, no crash? Let me just delete this. No crash. That's too good. I'll have to read up on Steam best practices, like where am I allowed to save stuff or create files or whatever. Is like my game folder valid? Because it works here, but is this like a good assumption? Should I read this right now? I guess there's like the Steam Cloud thing. That's quite cool. I'll have to read that. Yeah, nice, nice. Not what I was looking for, but it's interesting. Alright, is this good enough to commit? Answer is yes, I think. So let's... Why do I use monogame? By the way, welcome Slime Geeking. I like it. The main reason is because it's mine. A bit like why you would use Blender instead of 3ds Max. Like it works, 3ds Max, but it's not yours. People learned it the hard way this last year with Unity stuff. Like this was something I foresaw like when I started this game, like back in when I picked Monogame back in 2016. I didn't use Monogame. I didn't use Unity because it wasn't mine. So if it's not yours, then someone else tells you what to do with it. We saw that like last year with the Unity stuff. People got pissed and now they're migrating. But the thing is, like, it wasn't theirs to begin with. There's a here. There's the. I wonder if I can find the exact quote. You'll see. Oh, that's from 2018. Wow, time flies. This guy is a visionary. Let me pause the music really fast. Is there thoughts on Autodesk? Maybe this. Why isn't he as near said? Thoughts on Autodesk? Let's read this.
What do you think of Autodesk?
What do I think of Autodesk?
Yeah, because I know
They are
you-
my best friends. Yeah. So I usually try to meet Autodesk people in the SIGGRAPH in Los Angeles or elsewhere.
Yeah.
But this year I was too busy and didn't have time. But last year I had a couple of meetings.
So you meet Autodesk people at SIGGRAPH. How does it go? Do they ever go like, you said on Twitter?
They're going to sue you. No, they're nice. So once I had, the last year I saw the head of Arnold. They were bought by Autodesk.
Okay.
And talking to them about things because they wanted to get Arnold also in Blender. How do we work with that? Problems, licenses, stuff like that. And I had a meeting with guys about FBX because FBX is the standard, right?
Maybe
for
down
a lot
here.
of artists to move. And it was actually working. And making Blender open was totally the best thing I could ever do.
Yeah.
And suddenly you got a whole interesting community dynamic going on, right? And the community, as you know, they don't really listen
wait, I
to
can move
what
this.
you tell them to do.
I
They
forgot
have their
YouTube allows that.
own ideas. They want to, so they
'Cause I'm
started
trying to, like,
working on
move out of the
things.
way.
I thought, what? That's not important. I want to work on that. Like this fantastic web plugin and all the stuff, 3D on the web. Imagine. And nobody was interested. You know what they did? They fixed the modeler. Because they wanted to model, they want to use the software for creating things. And they were right. Of course that's important, right? And that's what you get if you get communities involved. They're not always wrong. I mean, a lot of people actually do really, really good stuff. And they do what they think is important. It's what is in their interest.
Yeah.
More than what they think, I have a dream, I have a vision of how the internet will look like in 10 years. Not interested, right?
Right.
Things should work today or tomorrow, or I want to have it now. I'm not going to invest in something that takes 10 years. And certainly not in open source. They always like very short-term little things to move on. Because then you can see, okay, I can help with that. You only need one little thing, like to fix tooltips or something. Okay, I can handle that. Right? And that's how you grow the community, and that's how the developers got on board.
Could I ask, at that time when you made it open source, did you ever imagine that it would be this many years later with
No,
as big as it is?
totally not. Totally not.
What did you think was going to happen?
At first I thought,
It's crazy because that's 2018, and I guess Blender was big, but now it's like a whole ballpark. Did they have Blender Cloud already? When did it start? Blender history. Oh, they don't say. Blender Cloud. I guess they
Nothing
always
would
had
happen.
it,
But
but they
would
figured
be
out a
there
way
and
to
it would
monetize it.
slowly fade away.
Really?
Like, it was fun for people that they could still use it. Many programs died.
Yeah.
If you look at it in the past, a lot of projects, they have some interest from people and then they all move on and they go somewhere else. I think it didn't happen for Blender for a couple of reasons. Of course, one is there were no competitors, right? There was nobody having a functional 3D creation tool in open source.
Also, there's no open source competition.
There was no, in the open source world, there was no
Right.
competition. So, and also not a renderer. Yeah, okay, there were some renderers. But the production, it was production ready, right? You could do cool stuff with it. It had some hair, it had some this, it had some video editor, textures. There was a lot of interesting things going on. Character animation. You could do things in Blender. And that was a complete creation package. As it is now, but it was then too. So with one program, you could start it up, and then you end up with a finished product. Like something, a film, or a clip, or a presentation, or a visualization, or a little game. But everything is possible to do in one program. And that makes Blender special too. Because people can put their whole life in it, right? In the morning they fire it up, and then they make things.
Oh, I almost made a huge blunder. Anyways, I'll end that. I didn't find the code I was looking for, but everywhere I put it on the video is interesting, so it's easy to just go down the rabbit hole. What happens if I just do create? Oh. Is that just fine? It's crazy how fast map loading is. Boop, boop, boop. It's not like I'm caching anything. It's just how fast it is. I guess I have an SSD, but I'm pretty sure it was the same speed or on my other computer. I mean, they're pretty small files, I guess. So do I just, yeah, I guess I'll just prevent that. Text box, create. If click and new map is not empty. I forgot how to do this. String empty. This is oh no, this is a thing. That's a function, right? Nice. In other words, we don't go in here at all, right? Nice. Oh, what? Oops. Load map. Ooh. Alright, that's a catch-22. The map file, I guess at this point the map file exists. So it's fine to put this up here. Nice. Okay. So that's pretty good. I think it's functional enough. Did it take me 2 hours to code this? RIP. I guess I did other things at the same. Yeah, I guess I worked on many things. All right, I'll be right back. Should I keep this in? Probably. I'll keep this up here, I guess. Comment that out though. This is useful to have at least. Okay. I might be done for today, on at least for coding. Because the next thing is gonna be a bit hard, probably. Unless I coded it already and I forgot. Editor. Hello? Editor. Ah. I want to be able to move. Oh, whoops. Oops, that's not good. Being able to like pick it up. Why can I do that actually? There's no way I coded it. Oops, let me just find that. It's this. There's no way this is already through. Ah, shit. It becomes through later. Why? Ah, shit. Why did I allow that? If it's currently not true. If it's currently not true. I guess I'll... Can I just do this? Just inline this like that. But it's kind of bad design-ish. Like that. I kind of don't like that. It's gonna work, but Did I just mess it up? Or... I guess that's true. It does work below here. For now, I'll code it like that, but it's not like I like it or anything. But I don't want to clean it up just yet. The one I was dragging, it was that one, right? Yeah. Bottom minus handle minus 10 minus 20. No, I'm doing the wrong one. Okay, let's just do it differently then. I'll put this first, and then I guess I can just oh no. Well, whatever. I'm that lazy, I guess. Broke it? Oh, because press should probably be on the first one. think with this, I shouldn't need to do drag step like that. Because this, at the point that this is true, the other ones can't be true. I think it's valid logic. Shit. That works. No, it's fine. It's a bit hard to click, right? Is it because of a reason? Maybe I should make this be a bit bigger. I made it 4. Maybe I make it 5 or something. Does that pixel do a difference? Oh, it made it bigger because I used the... Maybe I call it fine for now. Kind of don't like doing this though. But it's whatever. I forgot why I made it. I coded it like that the first time. Dry offset through. Did I want my mouse to be able to pick it up as I go through it? I forgot. Alright, so yeah, the next thing that I want to do, like that will do a huge quality of life, will be able to move the timings around. So in other words, let's say I create like a knob, and I put some come on. Then I put explosions, boop boop. Those explosions can have like a timing. So let's say this one is at 500. Let's move this down to 1000. What was the hotkey again? I forgot. And shit. Okay, fine. I'll check my hotkeys. I keep forgetting. Editor, loop time. Oh, subtract. Like that. Okay. And now let's say I want to move this. I'd like to be able to drag. So like instead of being like this one is at 200, this one is at 500. Let's say I want to delete both by 100. Like right now the hotkey is enter, but it put both of them at 300. This is what I coded a while ago. This draw line edit. Line edit. That was a thing. Are they still there? They are created. Edit. So I had a thing called selection. I guess I never did anything with it. Kind of tricky, right? Because I want to be able to drag over the timeline to do a selection of time. Set keyframe. This is enter, right? Yeah. So right now it just loops over everything that I selected. And if it's an explosion, it sets the keyframe. I'll code this next time, but I want to think about it really fast. So you have a cursor at the top. That allows you to move over the timeline. What was this map again? That's the new one I created, right? Test 2? Yeah. It's so cool. Like, let's say I copied this and then I copied this. It's like I have to figure out the user experience of shifting, moving keyframes around. Like if I hit enter, they're both now at 215. In 2D, it's really easy to just drag, select something, and then move it. Up here, this is 1D. And for the most part, like you want to drag the cursor. Like it would be in starting to get into a philosophical, like what is a cursor anyways? Oh, while I think about it, let's add a set loop time button. So set loop time. Oh, it works for everything. Link ob. it's equals 0. Else if it's 1. Whatever. Button selected. Let's just do it here. It's not perfect. Does it default to false? Nice. So that means this was not required. It's just this. So now I can do this. Nice. It's already a bit nicer UI. And I can still undo, that's fine. If I create a different one. What? Oh, I created one, but I had the other one selected. Maybe I'll have to fix that. So now this one could be like this. Set loop time. If I select it. Now I can like do stuff. I could create a button here. Set to time or something. Right now it's just enter. happens if I select this, or if I have my cursor here and I select this? I guess it stays there until I do something. I think it's fine though. Yeah, so the main thing I want to do now is dragging obstacles so that their loop times can be adjusted really easily. But I'm not yet sure on the UX yet. I really want to support dragging though. Be able to drag the keyframes. The issue is that that goes, it kind of conflicts with the cursor itself. Like, you know, like where, like am I at like 100 milliseconds, 200, 300? That's like your point of view. And I'd rather not like add complexity, like holding, let's say you hold shift to select or whatever. Or maybe I should make the cursor be on right click. Let me just try that really fast. Ah, it's so slow now. Or it could even be on middle click, maybe. Moving the map is on middle click. So maybe if I make this where you right click to drag the cursor, and then left click would be a selection. So then I could left click and then select a range. Then here on the interface it would select the things that are in that range. I do have a structure, right, for the timeline. Nice. It's an AABB3. Wait, so it's never initialized? Oh, it's this. I guess I've been just going through that directly. ID. Alright, I guess you need that to be 2D. No, but it's... Zero, zero. And then you start at time. Wait, what? Okay. Oh, I also have to think about wrapping. Oh, not that it's hard, I guess, but. So keyframe from cursor. Oh. That's incredible. I guess that's how I know, even though I'm here, that we're on this cursor. And then here, we're going back all the way here. So we find this. That's so cool. In other words... I might be able to use that in my other function. Okay, oh shit, I want to end the stream, but I kind of want to check this too. Set keyframe. I'm able to use this variable to be a bit smarter. This current keyframe. B, the time, so that's the old one, U1. So I could do like a little math function, like find the offset, like the difference between this and the other thing, and then use that. Okay, but yeah, I'll end the stream. I'll have to think about it, but I almost have working code to support that. For now, it's just on enter, like select this, enter. Oop, it moves it. So the goal would be to move the first frame to the current frame, the other frames to an offset from the current frame. Okay, it's not like fancy or anything, it doesn't. I wonder why there was a crash here. I say temp fix. When did I write this? Temp fish 1 year ago. I'm guessing it means it's not the right solution. So there must be a bug higher up. Anyways, I should end the stream here. Thanks for watching. And yeah, nice. Good work today. This is starting to become more and more usable. Peace.